So Gerald, now that permits are obtained and I'm the homeowner and I'm ready to start my renovation project, what happens next now that I have the permit?
So now your contractor is able to start his demolition. Maybe he's going to tear off and install a new roof on the home. Excavation, foundation work that needs to be done for the new addition that's being built. It allows the contractor to request a deposit for certain materials from the lender, depending on what type of loan it is.
Okay, and then, so they can put in for a material draw. And do you know if the material draw, I'm told it goes to the vendor typically. On certain loan programs, it'll go to the contractor, but most of the time, the material draws are being paid to the vendor. Is that correct?
That is correct. So it's broken down two different ways for the two different loan products, whereas the 203K, they will release 50% of the material for roofing, siding, windows, doors, and flooring. And once again, that would only go to their supplier, whereas in the home style, they will release up to $50,000 in two different payments. $25,000 of that can go to the suppliers and $25,000 can go to the general contractor.
Perfect. So that's a little bit about how the draw process will start once the permits are obtained. Remember, I'm here for all your mortgage needs. While I do renovation lending, I also do move-in ready. So if you're unsure whether you want to get a fixer-upper or a move-in ready, I can handle both. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more news, market updates, and opportunities to save money.